Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to discover a revolution in the world of modern cooking. Imagine a microwave that goes far beyond simple heating, a device that combines power, technology, and elegance. Welcome to the exceptional world of the Panasonic NN-GT46KBSUG, the two-in-one grill microwave that redefines culinary standards. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Panasonic microwave is the ideal choice for cooking enthusiasts, families seeking convenience, and parents concerned about preparing healthy and delicious meals for their children. With its generous capacity, smart programs, and modern design, this two-in-one grill microwave is aimed at anyone looking for an exceptional cooking experience every day. At first glance, this jewel in black will capture your attention. With its elegant dimensions of 15.8 by 20.7 by 12.2 cm, it fits harmoniously into any kitchen, adding a touch of sophistication. But don't just rely on its appearance. This is not just a simple microwave, it's a reinvented culinary experience. And the best part is that it is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Imagine a world where cooking is no longer a matter of chance, but rather of expert precision. The Panasonic microwave is equipped with inverter technology, an innovation that revolutionizes the way we cook. Thanks to precise power control, delicate dishes are perfectly cooked, preserving their nutrients. No more dilemma of unevenly heating baby food. With inverter technology, culinary perfection is within reach, in record time. But that's not all. Each microwave grill in the Panasonic range is equipped with a quartz grill, an advanced technology that ensures rapid temperature rise without inertia. Imagine crispy results every time, without compromising your electricity consumption. Quartz consumes 10% less electricity, a smart saving that contributes to a more sustainable future. And guess what? You can own the Panasonic NN-GT46KBSUG microwave with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. And who said cooking had to be complicated? No more endless user manuals. The Panasonic microwave is smart. It is equipped with automatic programs that calculate the cooking time based on the selected dish and its weight. It's like having your own personal chef at home. Since 1988, Panasonic has been a pioneer in inverter technology. And with 30 years of expertise, it offers you unmatched microwave quality. Trust, innovation, and quality are at the heart of the Panasonic brand. A true commitment to us, the customers. Now imagine a family kitchen where sharing meals becomes a memorable experience. With a capacity of 31 liters and a turntable measuring 34 cm, the Panasonic microwave is perfect for family meals, transforming every occasion into a feast. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price right now. But the magic doesn't stop there. Even the most discerning palates will find happiness with the Junior menu, 3 automatic programs dedicated to vegetable puree, fruit compote, and porridge make meal preparation for the little ones as simple as it is fun. And if you are a fan of crispiness, the 1100-watt quartz grill will allow you to gratin your favorite recipes, from pizzas to quiches and vegetables. Crispy results are just a click away. The modern design with a mirror finish perfectly fits contemporary kitchens. But beyond style, it is the inverter technology that makes the difference. Quick, even cooking and delicious meals, thanks to the 24 automatic programs. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, technology. Inverter technology ensures gentle and even cooking, preserving nutrients and delivering exceptional results. Advantage number 2, 1100-watt quartz grill. Thanks to its rapid heating and energy efficiency, the quartz grill ensures crispy dishes without compromising electricity consumption. Advantage number 3, intelligent automatic program. Eliminates the need for user manuals, with programs that automatically calculate cooking time based on the dish and its weight. Advantage number 4, Family capacity of 31 liters, perfect for family meals with a 34cm turntable, turning every occasion into a memorable feast. Advantage number 5, dedicated junior menu. It simplifies meal preparation for the little ones with 3 automatic programs tailored to children's needs. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, wide variety of programs. For some users, the multitude of automatic programs may seem excessive and complex. Disadvantage number 2, modern design prone to fingerprints. The mirror finish of the modern design can be susceptible to smudges, requiring regular maintenance. So, if you are ready to transform your cooking experience, if you aspire to perfection with every bite, click now on the link in the description to discover the Panasonic NN-GT46KBSUG microwave at the best price. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your kitchen with thousands of satisfied customer reviews that confirm our commitment to excellence. Order now and open the door to a new era of modern cooking. Thank you for your attention.